This is the Calaveras Peak Tree. This is the visitor center. Ay, parang bagyo lang sa atin. This is 6,000 acres of forest meadow and stream habitat during this. Here? Did you have? They have one?
Yeah.
Oh, they have Campar Center.
Did you say they keep?
Super ganda dito. Ang ganda. Parang sa Baguio. Oh, I like this one actually.
You can get a necklace with a stone.
Huh?
You can get a $5 necklace with a stone.
It's nice. Ashley, you can get this one.
Oh yeah, it's a perfect day. No wind.
It's nice.
Just enough sun.
Yeah. Because you get quite a bit of sun.
They have, oh, I love their cars. Oh, ayan. Puno na yung bahay ko ng cars. Ash,
We came today. We tried to come a couple weeks ago, but our car broke down on the way. So I was like, oh, we better turn around.
Ash, look at this one.
Oh yeah, the fields moving.
See, I was making
Yeah. Except for we didn't have our coffee.
Oh, you can ask about the camp.
Oh, do they have campgrounds here?
We do.
Stuff?
One of these is for online.
Still wants to look around in there.
Oh, okay. What time?
Through this?
Yeah.
So I'll just meet you back over here.
Hi.
This is those trees,
Uh-huh.
but this was planted 2018.
This was planted in 2018?
It's still growing.
Oh. Wow. Are you serious?
It's a giant sequoia sapling, but it was planted on December 21, 2018 to give you a glimpse.
It's pretty, huh? Let's see what it says. It says this plaza represents the actual size of the discovery tree, cut 1853 AD. So they had to make a memorial because they had men that wanted to cut down some of the biggest trees ever in the world for whatever God knows reason. But this is a memorial for it, how big the tree was.
Ganda, di ba? Ayan guys, welcome to Calaveras Peak Tree. Nandito tayo ngayon. Nag-travel kami for like 2 hours from our house. And ayan, medyo nahihilo pa ako kasi medyo zigzag yung papunta dito. After ng like, ang zigzag lang naman niya yung mga 1 hour siguro. Kasi after freeway yun, papasok ka na sa mga dito na sa countryside, no? Zigzag talaga yung papunta dito. Kaya, medyo hilo-hilo pa ako kasi sa likod ako Pero, grabe, worth it naman. Ang ganda niya, promise. Ayan, nakikita nyo, 'di ba? Ang ganda niya. So, hindi pa kami as in, hindi pa kami nakakaikot. Try yung anak ko nandoon pa sa gift shop, hindi pa siya talaga ano. Hindi pa siya tapos at gusto pa niyang tumingin. Super ganda niya. Marami silang option na, I mean, kung mahilig kayo mag-adventure, napakagandang puntahan dito. You know, para akong nasa Baguio lang. Ang ganda, super. So, mayroon sila ditong trail na pwede kayong maglakad for like an hour, I guess. Ayan. So, pwede mag-camping. So, maraming mga option na pwede nyong gawin dito. Super ganda. Lalaki ng trees, oh. Diba? So, maganda. May CR din naman sila dito. So, ganda. Ang ganda nito, oh. Wow. Ayan, oh. Kahoy na kahoy, charot. Lahat naman sa akin maganda. Anyway, written in the wood. An injury, the charred wood and growth after shoe, an injury most likely caused by a fire. Ayan siya, oh. And 899, oldest ring. The oldest ring on this slice is not the year of tree began life. The tree is estimated to be 1,233 years old by accounting for the missing center of the tree and growth below. Ayan, oh. Drought. The smaller ring shows this was a drought year consistent with trees throughout the range. Ganda. Diba? If trees could talk, the pioneer's cabin tree would tell stories of the millions of people who passed through its trunk while discovering the wonders of the giant Cicada Grove. Trees share stories of their endured experience with us. Ayan, in 1873, the charred wood and growth after show an injury most likely caused by a fire. In 1873, an injury, the charred wood and growth after show an injury most likely caused by a fire. In 899, oldest ring, the oldest ring on this slice is not the year the tree began life. The tree is estimated to be 1,233 years old by accounting for the missing center of the tree growth below. 1580, drought. The smaller ring shows this was drought year consistent with trees throughout the range. Ayan, oh. So, in 1983, the last year of growth, even though the tree stood until 2017, the last year it put on wood at this height was 34 years earlier. In 1800s, this carling edge was part of the fire cave, which was used to carve the famous tunnel. Evidence of the tree fires are found in the 1800s. Ayan, in 1529, an injury. This injury was most likely caused by a branch or newer tree falling on it. O, diba? Yan. Ganda niya, oh. So, super, So, alam niyo, hindi pa kami nag-uumpisa actually na maglakad. Ayan, ang ganda niya, promise. Nakaka-relax. Kung mayroon kayong mga problema, gusto niyo mag-relax, I think napakagandang pumunta dito, no? Ayan, oh, Cicada Resilience. The section of the Pioneer cabin tree we have on display was taken from about 56 feet above the roots. Oh, ayan, oh, papakita niya. Ayan. Carbon is stored in the heartward from... Oh, ayan. Basahin niyo na lang. This tree shows evidence of fire and injury and of healing and resiliency. O, ayan. Basahin natin para masaya. O, diba? Okay. The elevation change 120 feet to 120. Ayan, typical grid, typical white, and typical surface. Trail length 1.67 miles. O, diba? I mean, pumunta lang dito, magsalita ka lang na magsalita, charot. Mawala na yung stress mo. And then mamaya, stress uli. Pero grabe, ang ganda niya, promise. Oh, nakaka-relax talaga. Tas ang ganda kasi malamig siya. Although ngayon medyo pa-summer na, hindi na. Although ngayon pa-summer na, so hindi masyadong malamig. Pero sa lugar na ito, I don't think na iinit siya. Malamig talaga dito. Kasi tingnan nyo naman yung trees niya, di ba? Ang ganda, promise. Oh, ganda. Parang ang sarap dito magtumbling-tumbling. Hi,
Snake with
what's that one?
Every ring.
Huh?
Every ring is like so many years of growth.
So this is the oldest one?
No, it's not the oldest. It just tells you. Like that up there was hit by lightning.
Mm-hmm.
This was the damage from another tree falling on it. Woody Woodpecker. You know what Woody Woodpecker is? It's a famous cartoon character, Woody Woodpecker. You know who he is, Ashley? Woody Woodpecker? I've heard.
Yeah.
This one is 1,200 years old.
Yeah.
This one right here.
Mm-hmm. It's nice, huh? Ashley, you can put this one in the car. It's heavy for me.
We went
But-
over there to look for you.
Huh? Look
you,
at that one. Daddy.
Here,
Yeah,
Dad.
we used to go up inside of them.
Dad, it's heavy. You need to put it in.
We used
That's
to-
daddy's?
No, she's.
Tinatawanan ka ni Ashley.
This was the bomb. This is how we did it in 1975. Yeah. It's like a seatbelt.
Seatbelt. Okay. This is how we're gonna start the trail.
To climb up and see this tree was on fire.
Ayan. Ganun na mga old trees na pala talaga to, oh. Oh, we should have a picture in there, Ash. Huh?
Get 50 cents. Donation 50 cents.
50 cents? What's that for?
The guide for the trail.
Okay.
Or $1. We'll take 2 of them. Can I put that in there, Ashley?
Put it there, Ash.
Church offering.
Hold on. Huh?
It smells good, the trees.
It's
smells like I haven't
nice.
smelled
You
in a
know,
long
it's
time.
relaxing. Look at the flowers, Ash. Nice. Hindi ko alam anong flowers
You
yan.
want a picture next to that tree?
Yes, please. Yan. What kind of flowers is this one, Johnny? This is tree, actually.
Yeah, I don't know what kind of tree it is.
Yeah. Pero ang ganda niya.
It might be one of the sequoia.
Ha?
It might be one of the sequoia trees.
Yeah. Ah, ito pala yung likod niya. Ayan. Maganda at marami talaga naglalakad. There's a lot of people come and walk. So they are open until 4 o'clock? 5.
Talk for the gift shop.
You don't have restaurant here, huh? Just a gift shop. Ang ganda niya. Ayan guys, putulin muna natin dito dahil medyo malayo-layo pa tong lalakarin namin. Kauumpisa lang namin dito at namiss ako, ang dami mong makikita sa entrada pa lang ng Calaveras Big Tree. So Abangan niyo po ang ating part 2 at baka may part 3 pa, no? Kung anong meron sa kanila dito. Super ganda, promise. Ang ganda na makikita nyo. Napaka-relaxing dito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you, guys!